Good morning, good morning. Oya ore, oimore, kamora mora maintiere. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche mag johera e dholuo nikech chieng' mar johera mano tarik 14 chiegni chopo. Today we want to talk about relationship words in the Luo language because it's almost Valentine is around the corner, so you need to build your Luo vocabulary to help you understand what your Luo spouse or your Luo friend is trying to say. So these are just some of the words in the Luo language that you'd use in a relationship or to talk about relationships. This is not more of a relationship language because I've already spoken about that. You can scroll through the channel to see the words. So the first one we talk about is they are lovers. You want to say that to somebody else, you say gin johera. Gin johera. They are lovers. Giherore. Gin johera. Gin johera. Okay. This is my boyfriend. How do you introduce your boyfriend? You'd say ma en osiepna mawuoyi. Ma en osiepna mawuoyi. This is my boyfriend. Ma en osiepna mawuoyi. What if it's a girl? If it's a girl, you'd say ma en osiepna ma nyako. Ma en osiepna ma nyako. So this is my girlfriend. Ma en osiepna ma nyako. Ma en osiepna ma nyako. That's when you're having a girlfriend. If it graduates to a wife, then you'd say, and you're talking about someone else's wife, not your wife, you say ma en jaode. Ma en jaode. So that might just mean this is his wife. Ma en jaode. Jaode. So the ja, o, de. Ma en jaode. Okay? And if it's my wife, you just say ma en jaoda. Ma en jaoda. So that's my wife. Ma en jaoda. That is my wife. Ma en jaoda. Then husband, you say ma en chuore. This is her husband. Ma en chuore. Chuore. Ma en chuore. Chuore. Sorry. Thank you, Anthony Wambua. Ma en chuore. This is her husband. But my husband, I say ma en chuora. Ma en chuora. This is my husband. Ma en chuora. 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 Ma en chuora. Chuora. Ma en chuora. This is my husband. Good. They're going to get married. Gidhi kendore. Gidhi kendore. Gidhi kendore. They are going to get married. Gidhi kendore. Gidhi kendore. They are married. Not their marriage. Silly me. They are married. Gin e keny. Gin e keny. Or you can say gi kendore. Gin e keny. Or gi kendore. Gin e keny. Gi kendore. Same thing. Depends on which one is easier for you. Gin e keny. 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 Gin e keny. Gi kendore. Gi kendore. Okay? They live together though they are not married. Gidak kanyakla kata obedo ni ok gikendore. Let's read that again together. Gidak kanyakla kata obedo ni ok gikendore. Gidak kanyakla kata obedo ni ok gikendore. Gidak kanyakla kata obedo ni ok gikendore. Good? Looks good? Good. Please give it a like if it looks good. They held a marriage in church. So they held a marriage in church becomes ne gikendore e kanisa. Ne gikendore e kanisa. Ne gikendore e kanisa. Ne gikendore e kanisa. They held their marriage in church. Ne gikendore e kanisa. Ne gikendore e kanisa. They married traditionally. So they married traditionally. The traditional marriage is takes two how you call it, two types. That is, if it's the lady, you say ne onyuome. So ne onyuome means the lady was married. But if it's the man, you say ne onyombo. So that means he married the girl. So ne onyuome and ne onyombo. Andrew Munyi, asante sana. Ne onyuome or ne onyombo. In this case, it is assumed that it was a traditional marriage, okay? Ne onyuome or ne onyombo. They divorced last year. If you divorce, finally, you say ne giweyore. Divorce is leaving each other. So ne giweyore. Ne giweyore higa ma okalo. They left, they divorced last year. Ne giweyore higa ma okalo. Ne giweyore higa ma okalo. They divorced each other. Ne giweyore higa ma okalo. And now we look at other things. Like they separated. Now, if you separate, it means you're not living together. And the Luo thing you would say, ok gidak kanyakla. Ok gidak kanyakla. That means they are separated. Ok gidak kanyakla. They do not live together. Let's say it again together. Ok gidak kanyakla. Ok gidak kanyakla. They've children together. Ginyuolo nyithindo kamoro achiel. Ginyuolo nyithindo kamoro achiel. That means they've given birth. They have children together. Ginyuolo nyithindo kamoro achiel. Ginyuolo nyithindo kamoro achiel. They're married but they do not have children. Gikendore, but means en manani. Gikendore, en manani gionge kod nyithindo. Gikendore, en manani gionge kod nyithindo. So they just do not have children, but they are married. Gikendore, en manani gionge kod nyithindo. Okay? My love. Jaherana. 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 Sele. Sele, sele. Jaherana. Jaherana. My love. Jaherana. Aheri. I love you. Aheri. And if someone says aheri, you respond by saying, if they say aheri, you respond by saying an bende aheri. An bende aheri. So I love you. I love you too. Aheri. An bende aheri. Love you too. Aheri. An bende aheri. My Jaber. So Jaber means the beautiful one. Jaber. 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 Beautiful one. Okay? My Jaber. Una meremeta. Ukituk machini. Waled ni meleta. The beautiful one. That's what they're singing in that song. If I've killed the lyrics, give it a thumbs up, Omera. So Jaber is a beautiful one. Ogwandeler. Ogwandeler. Now Ogwandeler can be both male and female. It depends on which one you are referring to. If it's a female, you're talking about her legs are sturdy and nice and smooth, you know. If it's a male, you're talking about the muscles on the legs, okay? If you have muscles on your legs and they look good, then we can say ogwandiler. Okay? So it depends on which one you're talking about or who you're talking about. It is not gender specific. Oh, what does handsome one mean? Handsome might mean let's see. Handsome might mean handsome means Beluo. It has passed me. Berwoi. No, Andrew, I'll get back. Let me think it. It has slipped my hand, my leg, my brain. I think about you all the time. Apari seche dutote. Apari seche te. I think about you all the time. And what of Silwal? What does Silwal mean? Don't Silwal mean handsome? Oh, tall is Silwal. Okay, Silwal is tall. But there's another word for handsome. But I'll get it. If I don't get it, I'll get back to you, Andrew. I'll send it as a DM. In a morna, you are my happiness. In a morna, you are my happiness. In e morna. In e morna. You are my happiness. In e morna. My heart belongs to you. Chunya and Mari. Now, Chunya and Mari fully translates to my heart is your heart. But my heart belongs to you is also Chunya and Mari. Like it's yours. My heart is yours. So my heart belongs to you. Chunya and Mari. Chunya. And now the other confusion is Chuny is not heart. Like in matters love, Chuny is heart. But in real sense, the heart is called adundo. Adundo. But in matters love, you say Chunya. So Chuny is not heart. Chuny is a liver. So, but I don't know why we do this in the Luo language. So if you say Chunya and Mari, they understand that my heart belongs to you, but it's not. The literal meaning is not heart, because heart is adundo. Ne aleki. Ne aleki. I dreamed about you. Ne aleki. Ne aleki. I dreamed about you. And that brings us to the end of the few romantic phrases that you can use with your loved one over Valentine's on 14th, which is just about 2 days away. You can try and write them a text and include some of these words and see what they say about the love. And as usual, if you have questions, you can put them on the comments of this video and we shall try to answer as many as we can. So Andrew, I'll get back to you on the meaning of handsome one as soon as I get the meaning. But for now, Oriti. Bye-bye, guys, and thank you for watching the videos.